Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So I decided to stop by the storage space and unload some crap from the truck, and I thought maybe while we're here we can get the 350 running. We got plates for it, registration tags, all that, so that's good to go. I don't really have much left, so I'd like to take it home. Maybe we'll bring the Navi back if we bring this thing home. But anyways, I thought while we were here, we can look at some of the parts I have for the Harley. I've got more on order, but we can get a nice close-up of the frame and the motor and the parts that I got. The only thing that I'm missing at the moment is the rear wheel. That's in the back of Trevor's truck. So let's take a look and see what we got. Hang on. Turn it on. Let's see. Gas is on. Choke is up. Okay, here we go. Turn up the idle a little bit. Up a little bit more. She's idling a lot better since I put the seafoam in there. All right, let's back this thing out. Dope. Let's take a walk around this thing. So soon we get to put a plate on here. It's been a while since you guys seen it. There she is. She's a beaut, Clark. Sorry if you got any wind noise. It's windy today. Looking pretty good. You know what's cool with these old, this is a 73, is that it's got the blackout mode. So you can go totally black, see? Switch here. You can go completely blackout. Trevor likes the halo ring. I think it looks pretty cool. Yeah, we got turn signals now. Yeah, we got lights, and then we got brake lights for sure. So it's looking pretty good, running pretty good, idling a lot better. You see how easy it was to start up, so I like that. But yeah, let's just I'm gonna let this thing idle a little bit, and then while I'm doing that, I'll pull out some of the Harley pieces. All right, hang on, we'll be right back. right, she's running pretty good. I like to start it up at least once a week now and run it. We've put some sea foam in the tank, and you can see she's running pretty good. So let's let me push the bike back and we'll show you the Harley parts. Hang on. All right, so let's start with my iron head. Pretty sure. Let's see if we can get a better shot here. Maybe you guys can help me identify this. Here's my number, and I'm pretty sure this is a 73 iron head. Yeah, here's your tomahawk right here. This is the rear mount. Like I said, I didn't get a good look at it before. I got a top mount kit, the brackets that go across here. I left those pieces at home. We're gonna have to bring those back. But let's get you turn around here. So I don't know. Looks a little wet in a few spots, but other than that, it looks like a pretty nice motor. I mean, I was told it has compression, so I guess we'll find out, right? And then I got a rear fender, unknown year, tail light. Like I said, this is not gonna be yellow. I'm just gonna do everything like a matte black or something. Here's the seat that he gave me. I'm not really a big fan of this seat. I think I want a strawberry seat. Chain guard, unknown if it'll fit on this. Here's the swing arm. This is a square swing arm. So apparently, since I'm going to choose manual brakes, I'll have to go with the round swing arm, which he has. Here's the starter pack, and I got the blank off there. We'll take that off. We'll have to figure out. Hopefully, it's got a ring gear. Hopefully, it's got a ring gear in there. Otherwise, we're going to have to do something about that. Here's my front end. Now, if you guys can tell me what year front end this is, that'd be good. I have no clue. Like I said, I know nothing. So that's the front end. I got a front fender. Oh, my buddy also gave me these mufflers. He supposedly came off a Sportster. I'm not going to be using these. So if you guys are interested, DM me on Instagram. I'll let them go pretty cheap. But yeah, I just want like the slash cut exhaust, and then I got the kidney gas tank. And again, I don't know if this is going to work because since I want electric start, the battery box is bigger, I guess, and this may or may not work. I don't know. We got our rim. Somebody else told me that they believe that it's lace strong when you look at it, and yeah, it could be, I suppose. I don't know. I watched a whole video on it, but I might just have somebody relace it for me, because front wheel and all, I don't want to screw it up. Let's see here. If I give myself some room. Excuse me, Mr. Motor. Shit. Okay, so we figured out that this is. Well, I figured out that this is a 77 frame for sure. It's got this tube here. There's something in there. There's a bolt. All right, so this is a 77 frame. It's got the weird bars here. I guess that was a thing for a while. You guys can see. And I know sorry if it's windy. The number was supposed to be, I thought the number was supposed to be over here somewhere. Yeah, you can tell that somebody filed it off. I know it's not stolen, but I'm not quite sure why they did that. Like I said, if you look here, there's let me get a better angle on this. You guys see that? Yikes. I don't quite know what that says, but for all intents and purposes, this is a 77 frame. So those are the parts I currently have. We're missing the rear wheel. I bought a rear wheel There's a guy, I think he's up in Michigan, selling he's parting out a 77 Sportster 1000, which is what this is. So we got our pieces and parts. Oh, I ordered, so. All right, anyway, so I just want to get out of the wind here. So I ordered a bunch more parts. I ordered, what we already got in was front mounting brackets, top mounting brackets. I just ordered handlebars, mounting bolt, like the motor mount bolt kits. What else did I buy? Oh, I bought a 1.5 liter Sportster gas tank. I have a gas tank, but I don't think it's gonna work. So let's see, what else? What else did I get? I found like an authentic horn, like a Harley horn. Oh, bumped you. So yeah, those are the parts we've got. I spent like another $300 this week on those parts I was telling you about. So we can start getting the motor in the frame, and like I said, I got the rear wheel. I'm gonna have to get a different swing arm. My buddy's got some more pieces and parts, and oh, one thing I didn't show you. Hang on a second, let me grab it. I got the brake shaft. This is it goes like this. It goes back through the back frame there, and then this piece goes back to the drum brakes. Hang on. I'm missing the whole drum brake assembly. My wheel didn't come with that. The rim didn't come with that. So, but my buddy thinks that he's got a whole setup that should work, which is good. Any parts I can get off of him. He's told me to give me every Sportster part he has, so he's just got to keep digging. You can see it back there. You can't see it. He was like, hey, if you want these parts, you got to take this smoker too. So I got a tiny little smoker back over there somewhere. Let's see. That's like way back in the corner there. Anywho, so yeah, we're just moving on parts. Like I said, I got the manuals. The parts catalog is awesome. You look through there, it tells you part numbers, everything. So yeah, that's great. But so I figured, the next video will be, us getting some of these parts. We'll try to get the front end on. I know I must be missing a few things here. I exactly know what I'm doing here, but we'll get it figured out. I'll look through the parts catalog, and I'll look through the service manual, and hopefully we can start bolting some of this stuff together. Like I said, the motor's the most important thing. And oh, you guys want to see something funny? Frickin' Harleys, man. Look, this thing is just sitting here and it's leaking oil. And it's supposed to be empty of oil. Well, I guess that's pretty typical from what I've heard. I heard the problem isn't it leaking oil, it's when it stops leaking oil. So I guess we're still in good shape. But all right, guys. Yeah, these exhausts that I got, the mufflers. If you guys want those, I'm gonna look up a price. I'll give you guys, somebody's interested, I give you a fair price. I just want them gone. They're heavy, so shipping's gonna be a bunch. But if this is something you're looking for, let me know. I'm not gonna use them. So, but other than that, if you've got some tips, recommendations, if you got parts laying around, that'll work for my setup. If you've got a battery box, anything like that, the pieces what you see here is what I've got. So if you've got something else, hit me up, and maybe we'll make it happen. So, but all right, guys. When I get some more parts in, probably they're coming this week. Maybe next weekend we can get on, putting some of this together. So, all right, guys. We'll see you in the next one. All right. Easy. Oh, one more thing. I broke my favorite tripod. It's so cool. It collapses down real small. I don't know. It's plastic junk. Look at this. I can't find another one like this, and it's kind of neat. If you guys know of any kind of tripods like this, or you got something lying around, let me know. I'm interested. I want something kind of smaller. Right now I'm using my bigger tripod at half size. So, all right, we'll see you guys.